1011. You are going to come out on top. Things will suddenly shift in your favor. It will seem like a miracle and out of this world when it all comes together for you. Be ready for it, believe. Type yes if you believe. God is saying to you today, my child, 6666. Everything you have been asking for will finally come true. You are worthy to receive your gift. Affirm yes. Magic happens when you don't give up, even though you want to. The universe always falls in love with a stubborn heart. Type yes to affirm. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.